Welcome to a new lesson at Circle Subsidio. Today, we will be checking the use of past continuous. So, let's start with a short story. This is Samuel. He just got up. He's alone at home. He's looking for his parents. Mom? Dad? He knows they are at home because they were cooking before he got up. They were preparing eggs and hot chocolate. The food is on the table. Their beds are perfect, so they were making their beds while Samuel was sleeping. He noticed his friends were calling him because his phone was ringing and there are some missing calls. He finally found them. His parents were working in the garden. They were carrying the roses. So, this is how we use the past continuous to talk about actions in progress in the past. For example, they were cutting roses, or his friends were calling. Or when 2 or 3 actions were happening at the same time. They were cutting roses while Samuel was sleeping. His friends were calling while he was eating breakfast. Usually for the past continuous we need a subject plus verb to be plus verb and ing. For example, when we use I, he, she, and it, we use the verb to be was, and we have verbs using ing. For example, dancing, I was dancing. Eating, he was eating. Sleeping, she was sleeping or it was sleeping. And sometimes we use the verb to be were. For example, you, we, they were cutting the roses, cooking, calling. You were cutting the roses, we were cooking, they were calling. We can also use verbs plus ing depending on some rules. For example, we have verbs as cook, we just add ing, cooking. And we have verbs like call, play, sleep, they just need ing. Calling, playing, sleeping. Other verbs like have, we have to drop the last e. So, we're going to have having, no e. For example, in live, living, make, making, and write, writing. And we have verbs like cut. We are going to double the last consonant. Cutting, double T. For example, stop, stopping, double P. Run, running, double N. Swim, swimming, double M. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, if you have questions, write to your teacher and tell her or him what your problem is. Don't forget to check this video again if you want to practice a little bit more.